Here are 20 common foods and drinks with simple descriptions. Foods. Bread. You can eat bread with butter or jam for breakfast. Rice. Rice is often served with meat or vegetables. Chicken. Many people eat chicken for lunch or dinner. Pizza. Pizza has cheese and toppings like pepperoni or vegetables. Pasta. Pasta is a popular Italian dish made from wheat. Eggs. You can boil or fry eggs for breakfast. Fish. Fish is healthy and can be grilled, fried, or baked. Apples. Apples are sweet fruits that are red, green, or yellow. Bananas. Bananas are yellow and soft inside. Carrots. Carrots are orange vegetables, good for your eyes. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are red and used in salads or sauces. Potatoes. Potatoes can be boiled, fried, or baked. Cheese. Cheese is made from milk and used in many dishes. Beef. Beef comes from cows and is used in burgers and steaks. Salad. A salad is a mix of vegetables like lettuce, cucumbers, and tomatoes. Drinks. Water. Water is healthy and good to drink every day. Tea. Many people drink tea with milk or sugar. Coffee. Coffee helps you feel awake in the morning. Juice. Juice is made from fruits like oranges, apples, or grapes. Milk. Milk is a white drink that comes from cows and is good for bones. If you don't understand, look up any words in your dictionary.